Saving money and the fundamentals of financial management. Welcome to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. And for today's video, we will be sharing with you the best tips for saving money as well as the fundamentals of financial management. Many people live paycheck to paycheck. If this is your case, you will most likely go bankrupt in no time. Let's say the only thing that's keeping you going in life is the income you receive twice a month. But then, you lose your job tomorrow. How will you be able to survive without savings or at least a backup plan? Where will you get the money to pay for rent, food, water, electricity, and your Netflix subscription? If you think about it, a financial disaster is bound to happen in a situation like this. A lot of times, people learn their lessons the hard way. Because they refuse to save money or they don't know how to, they end up going broke. So here are our reminders to save and manage your finances better. Number 1. Save money and make it a habit. Saving money takes a lot of discipline and motivation. With these qualities, you are likely to turn saving into a habit. They say that the best way to save is by taking 20% of your income and putting it immediately in the bank. For example, your monthly pay is $2,000. If you follow the rule, you are expected to deposit $200 twice a month in your account. And that's already $4,800 in a year. You'll definitely get more if you save more. To get these results, you need to be consistent with the amount of money you place in your account. Lower your expectations if you plan to put funds every 4 or 6 months. It doesn't have to be 20%. You can save 5 or 15 and still become a successful saver if you turn it into a habit. Some habits are toxic, but this one is probably the healthiest. Number 2. Keep a list and track your finances. Do you have that colleague who lists down every single expense he has made? From taxi fare to bottled water from the cafeteria, plus the chocolate bar he got from a convenience store right outside your building? Sometimes, you might find this annoying and exaggerated, but that's actually a good thing because they know where their money is going. If they can do this, why can't you? Many people do not want to keep track of their finances because maybe they're too embarrassed to face the reality of what's eating up their money. Look, you want to establish better spending habits? You have to track what's making it complicated. Maybe your money all goes to expensive desserts and drinks. Or perhaps you keep riding a cab daily when your work is a 15-minute walk away from home. The beauty of making a daily list of your expenses is you see an overview of where your money went, which you can improve the following day. Yes, include the chocolate bar you bought on your list. Enjoying the video so far? Before we continue, don't forget to like this content and hit the subscribe button to get instant updates from Money in Mind. Now, back to our tips for saving money and the fundamentals of financial management. Number 3. Needs over wants. Listen, you don't need a new pair of silver earrings, an Hermes bag, or even that streaming subscription you wish to get because of an 8-episode series you want to binge watch over the weekend. We're not saying you don't deserve them. But first, make sure you have already shopped for your necessities like grocery items and have settled your water, electric, and internet bills. If you have extra cash after you purchase your basic needs, pay for your dues, and stash your bi-monthly savings, that's the time you can spend on the things you want. Heartbreaking, but that's the reality of life if you are not well off. No one's hindering you from experiencing the luxuries of this world, but if you want to earn and make actual progress, you'll have to cut off some expenses that don't matter as much as food and water. Number 4. Stay motivated. There's a reason why you are saving up for your future. Is it because you want to earn for a car or a house? Do you want to travel and walk the magical streets of Paris and London? Do you want to give your family the life you couldn't experience? If you want to save better, you must remember that staying motivated is one of the essential parts of the whole process. If you don't have the drive to pursue your financial dream, you won't be able to make it a habit to leave a portion of your income in your bank account. You probably won't keep track of the money you're spending daily. Find that motivation and work towards your goals. Saving money is a long journey you should take as soon as possible. With discipline and the right drive, you will probably end up with $1 million in your account pretty soon. Sounds incredible, right? The possibilities are endless. And those are our tips for saving money and the fundamentals of financial management. Comment your thoughts, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind and join us on this exciting journey. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.